Nestled in the wooded hills of the Yellow River Valley, this 33-acre property offers everything from trophy-class whitetail hunting to private trout fishing, and it's all yours, right out your back door. The 928-square-foot home is tucked into the landscape, clean, cozy, and move-in ready. With an open floor plan, newer appliances, and a wood deck overlooking the timbered valley. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence or a peaceful weekend retreat, this place just feels like home. Step outside, and you're surrounded by nature's best. With over 1,200 feet of Yellow River frontage, you'll find your own private trout hole, a spot to launch a kayak, or just cool off on a hot summer day. This is year-round water, spring-fed and crystal clear. The land features 30 acres of mature hardwoods, white oak, walnut, hickory, and hard maple, providing great habitat and even better fall color. A network of trails winds throughout, perfect for a side-by-side or ATV. And for the sportsman, you're in a neighborhood known for giant whitetails. Multiple bucks over 170 inches have been harvested in the area. The 30 by 54 pole shed is ready for your horses, your gear, or your next big project. With concrete floors and plenty of space to create the ultimate man cave. Located just 20 minutes from walk-on and surrounded by CRP and wild ground, this property offers that rare combination of seclusion, access, and year-round enjoyment. No restrictions, no easements, just opportunity, waiting for someone who sees the value in land. Welcome to the Yellow River Valley. Welcome home.